Morning fellas, Ben back again. A quick video on a big problem and a solution for the same. Very important that people who use GoPros should know this. I have been going around like a crazy fella, madman, trying to figure out a solution for this for about 3 to 6 months now, and I still couldn't figure it out. Somehow chanced upon a video by a fellow named MVDBR or something, an Australian rider who rides Tenere 700, and he also had a similar problem to which he found out a solution, and his solution worked for me. So I thought I should definitely make a video on this, share this with as many fellow bikers as possible. Very important video. So now what started happening of late was my GoPro started hanging. The video would stop working, recording. The audio would keep recording. So it was so random that I really did not understand anything about it. There was no pattern for me to study and figure and work around. It wasn't a pattern behavior. It would just freeze in the middle of nowhere. It would freeze early in the morning. It would freeze post an hour. So all my rides, all the effort that I was putting into making videos was just going wasted. Half the times I would lose 3/4 of my files, and so it was extremely important that I figure out a solution. I tried everything in the world of internet. That includes a firmware upgrade, memory card swap. I tried everything. Nothing worked, and I also read a lot about this, where people continue to say that a firmware upgrade and a memory card upgrade alone is not enough. They just blame it on the camera. They say it's the camera's fault. But what I understood is the moment I swapped the batteries, the moment I swapped the battery that came along with the GoPro Hero 7 for a new one, the problem went away. All gone. All fixed. The camera continues to work like new. So it was a clear battery problem, nothing more than that. Now, that being said, there were 4 batteries that came along with 2 of my GoPros. That is a Hero 7 Black. I have 2. I had 4 batteries, so I had sufficient backup while I was on the go. I used to shoot videos continuously, and I had no problems. I would just have to swap out the batteries. But now that I got myself new batteries, I could only get myself 2 new batteries. It's because I was a little tight on the budget, and each battery costed me 1800 Indian rupees. 1800 Indian rupees for the battery is quite expensive. So, got myself 2 batteries, one for each camera, and the other camera is the one that I'm recording with. So there's 2 batteries, one here and one here. And now the big problem, what happens when your battery runs out of power, while on the go? You know how GoPros run out of power if you shoot at 4K. So the solution is pretty simple. This is the solution. This is a power bank, a micro power bank, I would say, 5000 milliamps battery. And really tiny, weighs nothing, weighs about 100 grams, 50 to 100 grams max, not more. I will attach a link to this product, and the funny thing is now I can run external power from my helmet itself. I used to plug it into my motorcycle, but on off-road rides when I have to do a lot of standing and sitting, that started becoming a bit of a hassle. So I got myself a power bank, bolted it onto the helmet with the help of a Velcro. There you go. So stuck a Velcro tape. I will attach the link to the Velcro as well, and stuck the other side of the tape onto the power bank, and there you go. So the power bank sticks onto the helmet like that. This is solid. I can't say this is as solid as a buckle, but this is super solid. and it'll stay there. And this thing is very light, so you don't have to be worried about it falling off. You'll have to find a flat spot on your helmet to stick this, and that should do it. Velcro attachment is good enough, and the rest what you see is the GoPro cable running through. Well, this is just another adapter, another buckle for the GoPro to be fixed onto the left hand side of the helmet when my neck starts aching, because this whole contraption is on the right hand side. I have added another mount over here so that I can move it from the left hand side to the right hand side when my neck starts aching. And so the wire from the power bank continues and goes into the sound adapter. Goes into the sound adapter from GoPro, and the mic adapter. One wire running from the power bank to the microphone adapter and to the camera. And if you guys can see, I've turned on the camera, battery not charging, turned the power bank on, and battery charging. As simple as that. Straightforward fix. Now, the one advantage and one disadvantage to connecting the power bank to the microphone adapter and clicking record. The moment I click record, you will not see the battery charging. The battery will stop charging. If you were to connect the power bank to the camera directly where the sound adapter goes in, then if you press record, this will continue to charge. So I'm clarifying this again. Power bank to camera directly, you can record while the battery is being charged. Power bank to mic adapter, you can only charge if you're not recording. So this is for the times when you're not recording, and you'll have to shoot from the moment I click the video button, the battery stops recording, and the moment I stop recording, the battery starts charging again. So that's how this works. If you were to connect it through the microphone adapter, if you were to go straight from power bank to camera, like if I were to pull this out, I mean it's a bit of a tight fix over there. So tight fit over there. So I don't want to pull it out and shove it in here and show it to you. But yeah, so if I were to run the power bank to the camera and I click the record button, it will still charge while you're recording a video. So that's the advantage to that. But the problem is you will not have the microphone adapter and you will not be able to shoot a motovlog from inside the helmet. You will have low audio volume. So very important if you want to shoot audio from inside of the helmet that you have a microphone adapter and you have a mic inside the helmet over here. My mic sits over here, right over here. So yeah, if you understand what I mean, then you will know that you will need a microphone adapter plugged to the camera all the time if you are motovlogging. So that being said, this is a fantastic fix. Anytime I'm recording, I will be shooting from the camera battery, but the moment I click stop, the power bank kicks in and it starts charging the camera. So fantastic solution for a huge problem, that is open the case, pull the battery out, swap the battery in the middle of a trail and then continue to shoot and all that jazz. Nothing. You needn't be worried about it. That adds about 50 to 100 grams to the helmet, maybe 100 grams at the most and nothing more. I will attach a link to this amazing power bank, as light as a feather, 9 centimeters in length, about 6 centimeters in width, and less than, or that would be a centimeter, 1 centimeter in height. That would be it. So I will definitely recommend this. Any of you who have had this problem so far, you can definitely do this to your helmets and that will be a solution for life. Okay, so if this helped, let it help, and I shall see you guys on another one. mega video coming your way on the Himi. The Himi is just a monster now, and we will have to spend some money to make a dedicated video for that. And I'm just waiting for the right crew to be on board to shoot a fantastic video and give it to you guys who are true admirers of the Himi or the Himalayan. Yep, so we'll get back to you on that soon. Until then, this is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.